Hello students, welcome back in your reasoning class. This reasoning lecture is for classes 4th and 5th. Subject reasoning, chapter 30. Name of the chapter is Coding and Decoding. And this is our lecture number 3. In this lecture, I have taken some complex coding. In the previous 2 lectures, I explained you with the help of examples. And now, this time, I'm going to give you directly 5 questions because already we have done 2 lectures. Now you have to find out the coding yourself and then you will give the correct decoding. That is correct option. Follow the coding instructions and tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer. You have to follow the coding instructions. If road is coded as URDG, then swan will be coded as ROAD. You need to find out the relation with URDG and then find the decoding of swan. Option A, B, C and D are given. You have to tick the correct option. Question number 2. If sober is coded as RNADQ, then cricket will be coded as. Now you have to find out the relation R and S, O and N, B and A, E and D, R and Q. The same relation you will apply for cricket. 4 options are there: A, B, C, D. You have to tick the correct option. Question number 3. If script is coded as TBSHQS, then Rohan will be coded as. Find the relation of S and T, C and B, R and S, I and H, P and Q, T and S. And same relation you will apply for Rohan. 4 options are given: A, B, C, D. You have to tick the correct option. Question number 4. If picture is coded as ERUTCIP, it's very simple. You can observe. Then purple will be coded as. Options are given: A, PRUPEL, B, OTQOKD, C, QVSQMF, D, ELPRUP. You have to take the correct option. Now question number 5. If sunflower is coded as USFNOLEWR, then laptop will be coded as. This is different than the previous ones which we have done. So I will give you a little bit hint to you. S and U and S, N, F and N. I hope now you have understood. Okay. The options are ALTPPO, option A. Option B is POTPAL. Option C, PALTPO. Option D, POALPT. Now find the coding of sunflower feathers and then apply the same coding for the laptop. So these are the 5 questions which you will try and you will find out the answers. If any problem, any confusion, the solutions with explanation will be given to you in the next lecture. Now it's time to do homework discussion of lecture 2. These were the questions given to you in homework. Question number 1. In a certain code language, 246 is written as 357. How is 781 written in that code? So the coding for 246 is 357. 2 is written as 3. 4 is written as 5. 6 is written as 7. So 7 will be written as 8. 8 will be written as 9 and 1 will be written as 2. So we will check in our options. 891, 892, yes. So the correct option is B option, 892. Right? Remaining are wrong. In the question 2, CBI is coded as 329. C. If you check A to Z, C comes at 3rd place, B at 2nd place, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? In this way. 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now, what is the code for CAADI? C 3, AA 11, 311, 311, 311, 311. We are getting in all the options. Next is D. D is 4. Here is 4. And I is 9. So our correct option is option B. Got it? Next question. In a certain code, BCD is coded as 9. What is the code for DEF? BCD is coded as 9. It means for 3 alphabets, there is a single digit. It means definitely there is some relation between these 3. Let's see. B on the 2nd place in our alphabets order, C at 3rd place and D at 4th place. Now 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9. Understood? Now D is coded as 4, E 5 and F 6. These are the orders in the alphabets. Alphabetical orders are taken and then these are added. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 11, 10, 15. So, the option is C option. Next question, question number 4. In a certain number coding, computer is coded as, now C3, O6, M4, P7. In this way it is coded as 3647329. What would be the code for more? Now look here. First of all, check that M4. O. 6 R. 9 E. 5. So this is the coding for more. 4695. Option A is our answer. The last homework question was question number 5. In a certain code, 2 is coded as T. Right here, 2 is coded as T, 3 as N, 9 as A, 5 as R, 4 as K, 6 as B. Okay, whatever is given, we have written. How is 692 coded in that code? 6 B, 9 A, 2 T. So it is coded as BAT, TNA, BAT. So our answer is option B. I hope you have got all the answers correct. If no, do practice. That's all for today's class. I hope you are now getting the correct answers with the practice. If no, tell your problems or your confusions in a online class. Okay. Now that's all for today. Kindly like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thank you and have a nice day.